Welcome to a short introduction to the cloud version of our app Custom Content for Jira. This app allows you to include web pages and images on your dashboard. Let's take a quick look at the main features. Add any image or web page. You can add any kind of image or external web page to a Jira dashboard using the Custom Content gadget. Easy configuration. Simply add the gadget to your dashboard. You can select the content type you want to add and insert the URL. Click on Save, and you're good to go. Set an allow list. Administrators can define an allow list to control what content is authorized to be embedded. Entering domains not in the allow list. Domains which are not in the allow list will not be displayed. Install our app Custom Content for Jira from the Atlassian Marketplace and try it for free.